So dear students, in the previous videos we have done till question number 3 of exercise 5.3. So now in this video we will discuss the questions which are next to the question number 3. So first we will start with question number 4. In question number 4 we have given that how many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. That is, we are given an AP and we have to find that sum of how many terms is 636. So in the given AP, A is, that is first term is 9, D 17 minus 9 is 8. So let Sn is equal to 636, that is sum of n terms is 636. So by using the formula Sn n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 636. Now use the values of A and D as 9 and 8. 2 9s are 18, 8 into n 8n minus 8 1s are 8. 2 is multiplied to the 636, it becomes 1272. So it gives us the quadratic equation as 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. When we take 2 as a common factor, we left with the quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now you have to factorize it by yourself and find the value of n, because in the previous questions you also have factorized and find the value of n. You know, if it comes out as a negative value, then we reject it because n can never be negative, so we can take only the positive value of n. Now let's move to the question number 5. First term of AP is 5, last term is 45 and the sum is 400. So we have to find the number of terms in the common difference. Here first term A is 5, let given AP has n terms, so last term, that is an, is 45 as it is given in the question, and sum, that is sum of n terms, is 400, which is also given in the question. By using the formula n upon 2 a plus an is equal to 400, we get, when we use the value of a and an here, we get the equation as n upon 2 5 plus 45 is equal to 400. We multiplied these two by 400, it becomes 400 into 2 800. 50 is transposed to the RHS, it becomes 800 upon 50, so n is equal to 16. So number of terms is 16. Now we also have to find the common difference. So we are given that an is equal to 45, that is a 16, because n is 16 is equal to 45. A 16 means a plus 15d is equal to 45. When we use the value of a as 5, it becomes 5 plus 15d is equal to 45. So 15d is equal to 45 minus 5, that is 40 upon 15. So it gives us the value of d as 8 upon 3. So common difference is 8 upon 3. So in this question we have to find the number of terms and the common difference, which we obtain as 16 and 8 upon 3 respectively. So after question number 5, now let's move to the question number 6. In the question number 6, we are given that the first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively, and the common difference is 9. How many terms are there? That is, we have to find the number of terms and their sum. So let us consider an AP in which A and D be the first term and the common difference of the given AP. Now number of terms in AP, let it be n. Now according to the question, first term A, that is 17, last term, since number of terms is n, therefore last term is an, which is 350, common difference n is 9. Now an is equal to 350 gives a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 350. When we use the value of a and d, it gives us n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17, that is 333 upon n minus 1 is equal to 333 upon 9, which after solving we get 37, 9 3 is 27, 9 7 is 63. So n is equal to 37 plus 1 is equal to 38. So number of terms in this AP is 38. We also have to find their sum. So when we use the formula of sum as Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus an, because we have the an here, so we use the formula n upon 2 a plus an. It gives us 38 upon 2, 17 plus 350, that is 19 into 367, 6973. So sum of terms is 6973. So this is question number 6 of exercise 5.3. Now after that, let's move to the question number 8, because question number 7 is on the same pattern, so it is a homework for you. So question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So let A and D be the first term and the common difference of the AP. Now according to the question, second term is 14, that is A plus D is equal to 14. Third term is 18, that is A plus 2D is equal to 18. Now as you know that these are the linear equations in A and D. So while solving them, for solving them we have subtracted second from equation first. So first is A plus D is equal to 14 and second is A plus 2D is equal to 18. While subtracting, we know that signs get changed of the second equation. So after changing the sign, it becomes minus A, minus 2D and minus 18. Positive A and negative A gets cancelled out. D minus 2D gives minus D. 14 minus 18 gives minus 4. Here minus and minus get cancelled out, that is D is equal to 4. So using D is equal to 4 in equation first, we have A plus D is equal to 14. So it gives A plus value of D is 4 is 14, that is A is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10, D is equal to 14. We have to find the sum of first 51 terms. So using the formula of sum as Sn is equal to n upon 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. As 51, 51 upon 2, 2 into 10, 51 minus 1 into 4, 2 tens are 20. It gives 50 into 4, which is 20 plus 200. So when we solve it, it gives the sum as 5610. So that is the sum of first 51 terms of this AP is 5610. So this was the question number 8 of exercise 5.3. Now let's move to the question number 9. In the question number 9, we are given that if sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and sum of first 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Again, we have considered an AP with A as first term and D as common difference. According to question, sum of first 7 terms is 49, that is 7 by 2 to A plus 7 minus 1 into D is equal to 49. So it gives 2A plus 6D is equal to 49 into 2 divided by 7. It gives 2A plus 6D is equal to 14. Similarly, sum of first 17 terms was 289 according to the question. So while after solving it, we get 2A plus 16D as 34. Now again, equation first and second are two linear equations in A and D. So for solving them, we have subtracted equation second from equation first. So after subtracting, we get the value of D as 2. When we use this value of D is equal to in first, we get 2A plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14. 2A plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14, which gives 2A plus 2 is equal to 14 minus 12. That is value of A is 14, 2A is equal to 2, that is A is equal to 1. So in this question, we have to find the sum of first n terms. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D gives n upon 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. When we solve this, 2 into n, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled out. We're left with n upon 2 into 2n. So 2 into 2 get cancelled out. So n is equal to n square. So it gives the sum of first n terms as n square. So in this video, we have discussed from question number 4 to question number 9 of exercise 5.3. And in the next videos, we will discuss the later questions of this exercise. Thank you very much.